here is it leaks
It
when
leaks
it's on,
from right under here.
which it's coming out. You just in the back
And
of
you've
here
seen it coming out
is
here?
an Allen
No.
wrench. See it? The
Came
Allen
out from
wrench.
under here.
Yeah, but was it coming
No.
up from here?
No, I couldn't see the water coming out
It's
at
coming
all.
out. Okay.
It looked like it was coming from under this thing right here.
So it's
It
coming
looked
out.
like
of the
it looked like it
cartridge.
was coming like literally under the faucet. That's what it looked like.
Okay,
don't
that's
know.
why I looked underneath there. It's not leaking out of the connection. Okay.
No.
So what you want to do is probably needs a new cartridge. So this right here, Robert, go ahead. Should just come off.
Oh, that started than I thought it was going to be.
Then it just comes off like that.
I don't know. I'm not so
Okay,
sure
then you
of
just pull the cartridge straight up. See how there's a notch in it right there?
Yep,
It should
I
just
do.
come out. Wiggle it. Wiggle it.
I don't want to hit the mirror. There we go.
There it is. And so that is the plastic cartridge that's leaking somewhere. And you just take this cartridge down to Lowe's.
Hang on, I'm
Or
not
Home
looking.
Depot,
You could
I
put
think.
it backwards.
No.
Oh,
Again, it's only got a notch that goes one way.
No, the notches can go either way.
Okay, well,
That's what it
maybe
looks
the
like.
notches can.
Oh
but-
no, if you get it backwards, you just flip it, I guess.
Anyway, you just take that down and buy another cartridge. Slip it
Oh,
back.
here, take a picture of this number, Michael.
There you go.
That's
Has
your
a
car.
number.
If you got a lifetime warranty, that's all you need. Take a picture of that with your number with your phone.
Moen a lot of times does have a lifetime guarantee.
Yep. they have
So
a
there you
lifetime
go,
warranty.
guys. That's all you do to
Fix.
pull out the cartridge and take it down. You just pop it back in there. Tighten this now. It's very important. You don't torque that down too hard.
Yeah,
It's just
5
just
foot-pounds or
just
something.
just down, and it just seals and bam. It's basically just a gasket to gasket. And so you just tighten it down. You don't want to torque on it, and that's it. That's how you replace a Moen cartridge.